Here is the Jira Bug Reporter agent, where I'm going to showcase how you can talk to the agent to report a bug and it will directly show up in your Jira boards. Before we showcase that, here are some of the configuration details. Just like usual, you name the agent. You can choose whichever model you want. After a few trials, it turns out that OpenAI GPT-4o was good. You don't need an API key now on the when you're working on Telnyx. Give as detailed instructions as possible. And if you scroll down here, I have just a general hang-up tool. But now if you go to the integrations, here is where you can connect the integration. We have many options from here. And for this example, I have used the Jira integration. And here you can see that what allowed tools you get when you are using this integration. And for this particular use case, I have only asked the agent to use the create issue and list any projects if you have. It's a simple connect or disconnect button right from here where you can add or remove your connections. For the voice models configuration, I have the Telnyx recommended model. And for transcription, I'm currently using Azure Fast. And you can play along with all these configurations as you wish. All right, let's test this agent.
Hi, I'm your Jira bug reporter. What is the bug you want to report?
Something to do with the documentation API examples.
Which Jira project should this bug go in? For example, you might have DR, Portal, VoiceA, or DevRel.
The project name is AIINT.
What's the bug? Give me a short summary.
So documentation API examples are currently broken.
Can you describe what happened in detail?
The code examples in the REST API documentation return 404 errors when users try to run them. The endpoint URLs are outdated and pointing to the old V1 API instead of V2.
What's the priority? Low, medium, major, or critical?
Critical.
Let me confirm. Project AINT summary. Documentation API examples are broken. Description. The code examples in the REST API documentation return 404 errors when users try to run them. The endpoint URLs are outdated and pointing to the old V1 API instead of V2. Priority, critical. Should I create this?
Yes, please.
Perfect. Created issue AINT 1242 in the AINT project. Would you like to report another bug?
Nope, that should be it. Thank you very much. All right, so now it's said that it created the bug. I'm going to quickly go into analysis because I forgot what the project number is. So it's AIINT 1242. Now I'm going to go in here and I'm going to search for AIINT 1242. There we go. It's right here. It added the details in the description, the summary or the title, and it said that, okay, priority is critical. That's how simple it is to build this agent. Thank you.